How to fix a poor email bounce rate. So in this video, we're going to go through the ultimate checklist of reasons why your email marketing could be failing to get through. If your campaigns are suffering from a high bounce rate, then this video will help you get to the bottom of these reasons and how to fix it. Email bounces occur when your email fails to reach the intended recipient. These bounces can be categorized into two types, a hard bounce and a soft bounce. So here's why this might be happening in your email marketing campaigns. Number one, hard bounces. Hard bounces are permanent delivery failures. So common causes include invalid email addresses, the recipient's email address doesn't exist or contain typos maybe. Domain issues. The domain of the recipient's email address is inactive or incorrect. Blocked by its server. Your email address or domain may be blacklisted. So, the solutions to this. Use domain verification tools to clean your email list. Remove hard bounce addresses from your mailing list immediately. And monitor your sender reputation to make sure you're not on any blacklists. Soft bounces. Soft bounces are temporary issues that prevent delivery. So this could include, say, a full mailbox. The recipient's mailbox has reached its storage limit, so doesn't have any more room to accept incoming emails. Server issues. The recipient's email server could be temporarily available. Or large attachments. Your email might exceed the recipient's server limit for attachment size. Content filters. Your email content might trigger a spam filter or violate their guidelines. So what are the solutions? Well, first off, optimize your email size by compressing images and avoiding large attachments. Now ensure your content adheres to best anti-spam practices, so avoid spammy words like free or excessive capitalization. Number three, reputation and authentication issues. Poor sender reputation. So ISPs may block your emails or domains with a poor IP reputation. Now emails without proper authentication, so SPF, DKIM and DMARC, may be flagged as suspicious. So what are the solutions? Authenticate your domain with SPF, DKIM and DMARC records. Now use a reputable email marketing platform and they help you manage your campaigns. Number four, list quality. Sending to an old or purchased list can result in invalid email addresses and high bounce rates. Unengaged subscribers. Frequent bounces occur if you're sending to uninterested or inactive users. Solutions? Regularly update and clean your email list, and always use a double opt-in process to ensure that your email addresses are valid. Remove any unengaged subscribers to improve your deliverability. Number five, spam or blacklist issues. Spam complaints, recipients marking your emails as spam can lead to blocking by internet service providers. Sending too many emails that bounce or get marked as spam can lead you on a blacklist. Monitor your domain's reputation using tools like Google Postmaster or SenderScore. Follow GDPR and CAN spam guidelines for best practices on email marketing. So, some proactive steps to reduce bounces. Use an email verification tool before sending a campaign. Test emails on platforms like Mailtester to avoid any spam triggers. Segment your audience and send relevant content, and monitor and analyze your bounce rate provided by your service provider. By addressing these issues, you can improve your email deliverability and maintain a healthy sender reputation. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and be sure to check out some of the other videos on our channel and hit us a like and subscribe if you'd like to find out more.